afternoon, a man stormed into a place of peaceful worship and took away the lives of 50 people. That quiet Friday afternoon has become our darkest of days. He sought many things from his act of terror, but one was notoriety. And that is why you will never hear me mention his name. He is a terrorist. He is a criminal. He is an extremist. But he will, when I speak, be nameless. Speak the names of those who were lost, rather than the name of the man who took them. He will face the full force of the law in New Zealand. We are one. They are us. Tātou, tātou. Assalamu alaikum. We rahmet Allah. We barakatuh.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم